Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to analyze GRT coin, the price chart, how much potential does it has, and the data from CoinMarketCap. Here the market cap is $800 million, volume for 24 hours is $24 million. Here we can see total supply, how much, circulating supply, and max supply is unknown here, or maybe unlimited. Here we have website, white paper, socials, and also explorers, supported wallets. Let's see: Binance Web3 wallet, Trust wallet, Ledger, Coinbase wallet, and there are another wallets. Let's see: HiPi, MetaMask, Solfair, uh, Backpack, Phantom, Jupiter Mobile. So there are a lot of wallets who support this coin. By the way, there is audit Cetric here. We can see. Let's check out also website, what inside of website, and here we can see the products. Like if I press here, we can see these products, token API. Here networks, we can see a different network support. Here you can see information here, by the way, about ecosystem, core devs, and another information here. There are also available jobs maybe. I will leave the link down below and you can check it out yourself. By the way, here's some information like resources. Here is a pricing and documentation. Maybe it's about white paper. Okay, here is fast, easy access to blockchain data. The graph organizes and serves Web3 data. Here, if I move the mouse, you can see it's moving. Anyways, here build faster, 100% less servers, spend less from 60 to 98% less per month, increase resilience. Here you can see 99.99 uptime, so you can see following 24 to 7 with a globally distributed network of contributors. Here cut down on cost and time spent running expensive infrastructure by tapping into the graph competitive data market, create groundbreaking application without needing to run your own data server, build index infrastructure, or parse to raw data. By the way, here industry standard data access, we can see subgraphs, substreams, and token API. Web3 powered by the graph. We can see DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, view also gaming analysis. Here we can see 100 indexer nodes, 1.27 trillion queries servers, and here 75,000 projects. By the way, here we can see supported networks. You can see a lot of networks: Solana, Polygon, Arbitrum, Ethereum, Nair, Bitcoin. Here what else? Base, Binance Smart Chain, BNB Chain. Here this one: Base, Optimism, Avalanche, Zika Sync, and a lot of more networks. You can see it's available. So it's, you can see a lot of networks, like 90 plus supported networks. How to use a subgraph, and here discover, you can discover this query, easily access organized data with simple GraphQL queries. Here you can see the code, and here we serve effortlessly load query data into your application. Okay, go down here, we can see globally distributed decentralized infrastructure. So here, what makes the graph so resilient? Enter the graph network, decentralized data market powered by distributed participant indexes, currents, delegators, and subgraph developers. By the way, it's around the world maybe, and join the ecosystem, transport the internet. So they want to transform the internet. Wow, wow, wow. The graph ecosystem welcomes you regardless of where you are in the world, what your level of technical expertise is, or your familiar with blockchains. Learn about all the roles in which you can choose to participate. Here, data, consumer, developer, indexer, here, delegator, creator, and read more here. 23 ways to participate the graph ecosystem. If I press here to see another ways, go down here, we can see podcast, GRTIQ, Coinbase Earn, the Graph Academy, also the Graph Codex, the Graph YouTube channel. Wow, impressive. The index, documentation, join a Graph community like Graph Advocates. Wow, Graphica, so you can read this information. Official Telegram channel, Discord server, the Graph forum, plug into the Graph community events here, the Graph participant update, core dev meetings, and here community talk, Discord workshops, uh, attend hackathons and events here, become a network participant, uh, graph tronauts momentum, graph tronauts, yes, um, creation station, subgraph DAO, migration infrastructure program, indexer office hours, starter care on a core dev team, age and node, streaming fast, semiotic labs, the guild, measuring graph ops, here the graph ecosystem graph with you about the graph. So go back and we can see the graph token API beta, decentralized token data built by developers for developers. And you can read all this information provided here. So if I come back here and go down, here you can learn more. The graph enables innovations of all backgrounds to plug into a collaborative ecosystem. Learn more about how the graph community can serve you here. Blog, for example, intro to Web3 and the graph network in depth, the graph R&D roadmap, here about the graph, subgraph quick start, how to query subgraphs, how to delegate GRT quarterly participant update, how to migrate subgraph. Anyway, a lot of informations are here available. For example, jobs, maybe there are some vacancy. It's interesting to see. Welcome to decentralized world. And here, product marketing and content lead, here, um, full stack prompt engineer, core teams here. Anyways, let's open, for example, full stack prompt engineer, and let's see, is it actually valid or not. Maybe, oops, page no longer available, so that means that this is nonsense rotten. Let's open this one. If I find something, no, that is not. Maybe this is scam vacancies. Anyways, here, that's not good, or it's bug, I don't know. If you know something about this, please let me know. Maybe this is bug or not, please let me know in comments. Okay, I'm glad that I entered here and I have seen that there is a bugs and issues like this. Okay, come back to the coin market cap, and what left to check out. Here, social networks. Let's open the Twitter fast and let's see what inside of Twitter. So they have 342,000 followers, and let's see, like December 11, 2024. By the way, here, John, 27 John, and it's in 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Here 27 again. So they are keeping active the Twitter, by the way. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, come back here. And what else? Reddit. I don't know. GitHub or something else. Discord, Telegram. Let's open for Reddit and let's see what inside of Reddit. Um, come here. We can see 24,000 members in Reddit, but I cannot see any other information, any post, or maybe I don't know about this. Come back here. Let's see the holders information. Who are the holders of graph? Let's open the Solana scan IO and let's see the holders, and let's see the top holders. Here is unknown FTX cold storage. FTX hold this with 14%. Wow, wow, wow. What else here? Let's show, for example, 40, and let's see the top 40 here. Everything is anonymous here. This one I don't know. There is no information about exchanges. Maybe the second page I could find something like nothing found here. Okay, come back and check out Ethereum scan. Maybe here it will be Binance, I think. Let's see. Here the graph bridge escrow holds 26%. The graph token lock 7.89. Here unknown wallet. The next one for number 4 is Binance 28, holds 2%. It's equal to $21 million. The graph proxy 2 here, $17 million. Hot wallet Binance again, $14 million. Go down. Bybit hot wallet hold 8 million. Revolut hold close to $5 million. What else? Here anonymous. There are no exchanges. Maybe this one, Bitbank hold $3 million. Coinbase, I missed Coinbase. Coinbase hold 3.3,500,000. By the way, so that's it about holders. I want to go quickly. What left? Okay, here we can see all-time high, and there is minus 97% discount. All-time low, there is no data. About text, we can see show all. Category DeFi analytics, made in America, Coinbase Ventures portfolio, CoinFound portfolio, DGC portfolio, Fabric Ventures portfolio, Framework Ventures portfolio, Ledger Prime portfolio, Multicoin Capital portfolio, Parafy Capital, Spartan Group, Binance ecosystem. About industry, we can see AI and big data. That's impressive. Enterprise solutions and Web3. About platform, we can see Solana ecosystem, Ethereum ecosystem, Avalanche ecosystem, Polygon, Phantom, Near, Arbitrum, Injective, and Sora. Okay, that's it. But Sora maybe becomes scam. Sora, if I remind, that is scam. Anyways, come here to see exchanges. Here Binance, of course, Bybit, and let's see volume of Binance is 8.58%, Coinbase base 2%, Bybit 1%. We can see Upbit from South Korea hold 5%, OKX 1, Bitget close to 2, Max we can see 3.68, Gate.io by the way 1.64, and KuCoin 0.41. We can see HTX also like 6.43. Here crypto.com, that's a scam exchange in my opinion. I don't like crypto.com. BingX here we can see Kraken, by the way, Binance tier, Bitmart also hold, Lbank, Bitstamp, Bitstamp and Bithumb. This is maybe from South Korea. Here also Gemini, Gemini maybe also the scam exchange, I don't know. Okay guys, go forward what we left to check out. Here there is a white paper. Let's open it. Here the graph docs and the graph documentation, the graph products, so you can read all this information about white paper. So I will leave this documentation down below and you can check it out. Okay, let's come to the price chart. Finally is the time for price chart. As we can see, there is a beautiful accumulation. It's in the end of, it's the time of 2022, 2022, then here 2023, and again here 2024. Long time. The graph was been at 45 cent, and then the price here 35 cent, and now right now is a pretty good price to buy at 8 cent. Okay guys, so it's lower than 10 cent, and that's pretty good. And this all the information here, the accumulation, the chart. If I press here and let's see the average buying price, if I take from here, sorry, I take wrong tool, I need to take this one. Let's measure from here and let's see the average cost. It looks like this. Let's open the weekly and let's see total. Here the total price chart. Let's make it again. So I made it from beginning to the end, and we can see here the average cost price is here like 9 cent. So, and if I take from here like momentum, for example, taking from here, let's see the average price. Yes, it's here, by the way. If I take from this local high, or even from here, let's see. Yes, it's again here. So now is a pretty good price. Don't miss out guys. I would highly recommend to include this graph in your portfolio. It's must have. So let's see the minimum potential of graph. Minimum, the price must be go here to the all-time high. It's 3,200%. This is first goal. By the way, let's continue. And here, for example, it's almost 6,000%, and here is like 11,000%. So I wait for example $10, $5, but the first thing, let's do all-time high and then go to the $5, then $10, maybe already 15, then maybe 20, which can be also for example 40 or 50. I don't know how much it will be grow, but that has unlimited potential. I cannot say in 100%, but I'm waiting for all-time high in the worst case of scenario. Okay, so that's it. That is my recommendation. I highly recommend to include the graph in your portfolio. Of course, a lot of people are making mistake who buy in the process of growing on the green, or on the green here or here, or a lot of people are buying in the peak of bull run, and they are making mistake and they see the minus and they are selling in minus. So if you invested here or even here, no problem, you can buy now in cheaper price. So if you invested here, so you can buy here the cheaper price, of course. Let's see, if you invested here, you have discount like minus 42%. So I recommend to take it this. Now is a fair and it's pretty good conditions in my opinion. So I have Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market. You can join in my Telegram channel. Link will be down below in the description or in my bio of YouTube channel. Here is a link to my Telegram channel. Okay, see you. Bye bye.